In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Telegram with your Whop account seamlessly. This is a straightforward process that allows you to connect these platforms and enhance your productivity by streamlining your communications. So, let's dive right into it. First, you want to begin by opening Whop. This is your starting point as we'll be working through the dashboard interface. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the dashboard. This is typically your main control panel where you manage your applications and settings. You'll find a variety of options here, but what we are focusing on is connecting Whop with Telegram. Next, locate and select the section labeled Your Whops. This is where all your current integrations and applications are managed. Once you've accessed Your Whops, you'll want to identify the specific Whop you're planning to integrate with Telegram. Click on it, and it should display more detailed options related to that particular Whop. Now that you've done that, it's time to move forward by clicking Add App. This option allows you to integrate new applications with your existing Whop setup. Once you click here, you'll be presented with several options for apps that can be linked. To make this process easier, navigate to the search bar and type in Telegram. Typing in the name will quickly bring up the Telegram option from the list of available apps. Once you see it, go ahead and click Add. At this point, Telegram will prompt you for a verification code. This step is crucial as it's essential for establishing a secure connection between Telegram and your Whop account. Keep an eye out for this code. It's usually sent through the Telegram app itself or via the email associated with your account. Once you receive it, simply copy the code and paste it into the provided field on the Whop interface. After you've entered the verification code, the integration process is basically complete. Telegram will now be successfully connected to your Whop. This connection is particularly useful if you want to streamline your communication process through these platforms. By following these steps, you've simplified the way you communicate and manage your tasks using Whop and Telegram. This integration not only saves you time, but also enhances efficiency by keeping your communications and workflows synchronized. Feel free to explore the additional functionalities and settings that this integration has to offer. Now, you're all set to make the most of your Whop and Telegram integration. Enjoy the enhanced productivity this brings to your daily routine.